Hello students, how are you? I hope you liked our last class. In our last class we have studied about present tense and its forms. In our this class we are going to talk about past tense. Past tense talks about the action which is completed in the past. Past tense उन actions के बारे में बातें करता है जो past में ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, completed. Forms of past tense. Like present tense, there are 4 forms of past tense: simple past tense, past perfect tense, past continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense. In our this class, we are going to learn about 2 forms of the past tense. First is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to फर्स्ट इंडिकेट एन एक्शन विच इज़ कम्प्लीटेड इन द पास्ट, उन एक्शंस के बारे में बताने के लिए जो भूतकाल में ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, पहले ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, दे इलेक्टेड हिम एज द नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. दे इलेक्टेड हिम एज द नेक्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. दिस इज़ इलेक्टेड. इलेक्टेड मीन्स द वर्क ऑफ इलेक्शन हैड बीन the work of giving vote to the person whom they wanted to select as their next president had been completed. The next president had been elected by them. Next is to express a habitual action in the past. Habitual adat, adatan action in the past. For example, he played cricket every day. He played cricket every day. This is played past tense, and every day shows the habitual action of the boy. Every day shows the habitual action of the boy. What did he used to play? Cricket. Next is to express historical events. हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स, ऐतिहासिक गतिविधियाँ. अलेक्जेंडर डिफीटेड पोरस. अलेक्जेंडर ने पोरस को हरा दिया. हराया नहीं, हराएगा नहीं, मीन्स अलेक्जेंडर will defeat पोरस. अलेक्जेंडर is defeating, no, Alexander defeated Porus. Porus had been defeated already by Alexander. We use second form of the verb with subject I, we, you, he, etc. with other words in the past tense. We use the second form of the verb. What is the second form of the verb? We put ed with the main word. We put ed with the main verb. For making negative sentences, we use didn't plus first form of the verb plus other words with subject. For making negative sentences, what are negative sentences? Sentences in which we use not. For example, I didn't write a letter to the principal. I is the subject, didn't is the negative sense of the sentence, and write is the first form of the verb, subject. I didn't write a letter to the principal. Next is for making interrogative sentences, we use did before subject plus first form of the verb plus other words. Interrogative sentences, asking questions. Did before. In making interrogative questions, we use did before the subject plus first form of the verb plus other words like did I write a letter? Did I write a letter? Did is we are making interrogative sentence. Did, I is subject, write is first form of the verb, and this is an interrogative सेंटेंस. डिड आई राइट अ लेटर? क्या मैंने लेटर लिखा है? सो these are our simple past tense forms. Next is past continuous tense. It is used to express an action going on some time in the past. Past continuous tense is used to express an action going on. Past में कोई action चल रहा हो. They were playing in the rain. वो बारिश में खेल रहे थे. जब बारिश हो रही थी तो वो खेल रहे थे. लेकिन at this time when we are talking about them, they are not playing. To form a clause. He was driving when he got a call. He was driving. वो ड्राइव कर रहा था. When he got a call. जब फ़ोन आया. To express an action that was a habit in the past. ऐसी क्रिया के बारे में बताने के लिए जो पास्ट में किसी की हैबिट हो. She was always making pickles for her family. वो हमेशा अपने परिवार के लिए अचार बनाती थी. बनाती है नहीं, बनाती थी. We are talking about past tense. For making affirmative sentences, we use was, were with fourth form of the verb plus other words. Affirmative sentences, positive sentences, we use was, were instead of is, am, are. Fourth form of the verb is verb की first form plus ing. For example, I was writing a letter. I is subject. This is writing is fourth form of the verb and letter is other words. So I was writing a letter. For making negative sentences, we use was, were plus not plus fourth form of the verb plus other words with subject. For example, we were not writing a letter. हम लेटर नहीं लिख रहे थे. When we are putting not, it means it is a negative sentence. Writing is the fourth form of the verb. A letter is other words and we were. We subject. Next is for making interrogative sentences, we use was, were before subject plus fourth form of the verb plus other words. For example, was I writing a letter? Were they writing a letter? क्या मैं लेटर लिख रहा हूँ या लिख रही हूँ? Were they writing a letter? क्या वो लेटर लिख रहे हैं? क्या वो लेटर लिख रहे हैं? We use I, he. When we talk about singular things, we use was. And when we talk about plural things, we put were. We use were. For example, when we are using they, या when we are talking about more people, then we put were. Then we put were with the sentence. And when we talk about a single person, then we put was. Then we use was. This is all in this class. I hope you understand. Please learn about these tenses, as tenses are most important in our English. In our next class, we will talk about, we will learn about the next two forms of the past tense. Till then, stay safe at home. Good luck.